We got a flasher here. I don't know, it flashed multiple times. Hello, I love you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for flashing and sharing yourself. I love you. It's flashed multiple times at me. And like, it literally looks like it's teleporting. See, like, if I turn up the IR, you will not see. You see how you can, it doesn't show, like, where they are. The flashers are completely invisible until they flash. It's February 2nd, Sunday, 2025. I've already begun like taking down everything, but I thought it's cool that this flasher is showing love. I send you all my unconditional love, all of my higher vibrations, all of my consciousness expansion, all of my unity through unconditional love. And I'm charging up my heart chakra right now. This one's in the east. As I absorb and expand my toroidal field, I am more than just a physical body. I'm a light being of unconditional love and light. And I absorb and expand out the high vibrational, unconditional loving energy out my crown chakra and out and around my toroidal field, my reball, my light bubble, and down into the earth to cleanse the earth and pull it up, the energy to spinning up through my feet and up through my legs, up through my root chakra, up through my sacral chakra, up through my solar plexus chakra, up through my heart chakra, where I super energize all my love, all my unconditional love, all my unconditional love, and up through my throat chakra and up through my third eye chakra and out my crown chakra, and I send it all to you. I send all of my unconditional love to you. We are one, we are one, we are one, and I send you all that energy and love. Thank you so much for sharing yourself. Thank you so much for sharing yourself with us. I love you so much. Bless you so much. Thank you so much for healing Mother Earth and sharing the unconditional love and the awakening of humanity, that we are all one. We are all one consciousness, and we need to love each other unconditionally and forgive each other for all traumas that we've caused to each other and to ourselves, and also begin grounded meditations 5 minutes a day so that we can connect to our higher self, connect to our spiritual guardians and guides, to the Holy Spirit, and to the infinite divine source, God of unconditional love. You are more than just your physical body. You are a light being of unconditional love, connected to all light beings of unconditional love. As above, so below, as within, so without. Connected to the infinite divine source of unconditional love and light. Look at that, flashing red, flashing different colors. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for ending this video with this night's, oh, it's so wonderful. Flashers are very rare, like I just said. Flashers are so rare. Like, a lot of times they'll flash once or twice, but like, to get them flashing this many times, they are sharing all their love with you. They are blessing you. They are blessing us. You who are watching this video are blessed and loved by these flashes that this brother and sister of the stars are sharing with us. This beautiful soul, this beautiful, unconditionally loving entity. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Bless you, bless you, bless you. I send you all my unconditional love, all my unity. It's not stopping. It's not going to stop. I've been recording it for 5 minutes and it was like already flashing before that at least a few times. I wonder if it was the same one that was flashing earlier and now you're just decided to keep flashing, because like I saw 2 flashes but then like there was no flashes, but now it's deciding to like keep flashing. It's to the east. I love you so much. We are all one. We are all one. We are all one. Unified under unconditional love and light. As above, so below, as within, so without. Expanding our consciousness of unconditional love and light, as above, so below, as within, so without, throughout all multiverses, dimensions, bubble universes, timelines, and raising the vibration of Mother Earth and all consciousness, as above, so below, as within, so without. Thank you so much for sharing yourself. What a wonderful video. I literally have the video of just the flasher. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much. It was literally flashing at me, and this is the same spot too. I swear it's the same spot. But like, it started flashing over and over again after I started putting away the equipment. Like, at first it flashed at me once and I was like, oh, thank you, would you like to flash again? And it didn't flash. And then I like was filming other things for a while. Then I saw another flash come from the area and I was like, oh, thank you for flashing. I love you. Every flash is an I love you. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too times infinity. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love. Bless you. Bless you in the work that you're doing to help us, humanity, awaken and help us to unconditionally love each other and forgive each other of all our traumas so that we can Bro, oh, what was that? I saw something move. Was that you, Mother? I saw something move. I saw something move. What was that? Mother, are you flying over? I swear I saw Mother fly, but I don't see her anywhere right now. Did I lose it? Are you finished flashing? I love you. Unconditionally love yourselves and others. Do not judge others. Forgive everyone. Forgive people for the traumas that they've done to you, and forgive yourself for the traumas that you've done to yourself, and forgive yourself for the traumas that you've done to others, and apologize if you can. Mother, was that you? Did I see you flying? I swear I saw you just fly like in the corner of the screen. Where are you at? I don't see you anywhere though. You're just trying to make a little pop-in. I love you all, bless you all. We are all one consciousness. Everything exists within you. You are God's temple. You don't need a building to build a relationship with God. All you need is grounded meditation and prayer. Oh, it's still flashing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you. Or are you stars flashing too? Everything exists within you. Remember who you are. Please bless me with a like, subscription, and follow, and comment, so that we can spread this unconditional love and truth and knowledge throughout the world to awaken everybody to the true reality, where we all have more love and respect for each other, where we all treat each other kindly, because we are all one consciousness on different journeys. I love you all. Peace and love. Bless you. Thank you so much for watching.